Hiya, kiddos. What is going on? I'm glad to see you coming back. What? Barkley's very happy to see you. What? So's Pete. They're all glad you came back, kiddos. Thanks. Well, guess what? We're going to read a Sesame Street. I love Sesame Street. My kiddos used to watch it all the time. Yeah. And this one, look at it's kitchen sesame. Okay? Let's see what we can do in the kitchen with these crazy bunch of cool dudes. Step right up for some pizza pie. Ernie mixes shapes and puts shapes on the dough. Then he tosses one pizza in the air. Okay, everybody, kiddos, get ready. I need help on this. Let's count the pizzas. How many is there? Well, that one's easy, isn't it? It's one. Good job. Good job. Okay. Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Let's count the cans. 1, 2 for the cans, see? And 1 for the dough. Good job, kiddos. Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough, and Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top. Let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3. Good job, kiddos. I can tell you guys are really listening. Good job. Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. He's getting pretty good at this. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough, and Grover sprinkles 3 cans of cheese on the top, and Elmo comes in last with 4 tomato slices. Let's count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. What's the last one? What'd you say? Yep, 4. Good job, kiddos. Well, guess what? Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air, and Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top, and then comes Elmo with 4 tomato slices. And guess what? Rosita places 5 pieces of pepper. Let's count the peppers. See them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Geez, you kiddos are just so smart. Okay, Ernie tosses one more. Were you surprised? Is anybody surprised? Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top. Elmo adds 4 tomato slices. Rosita places 5 pieces of pepper. And Cookie throws on 6 olive slices. What do you say, kiddos? Let's count the olive slices. 1. What? Yeah, you're right. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Good job. I was trying to kid you. You did. You were so smart. You stopped. And then we know what Ernie does. He tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top. Elmo adds 4 tomato slices. Rosita places 5 pieces of pepper, and Cookie throws on 6 olive slices. And Abby waves her wand, and 7 mushroom slices appear. Poof! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the next one? 7. Good job. Good job. Good job. Well, we know as a fact what Ernie does next. You ready? Get ready. I'm going to go fast again. Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top. Elmo adds 4 tomato slices. Rosita places 5 pieces of pepper. Cookie throws 6 olive slices. Abby waves around and 7 mushroom slices appear. And Elmo's daddy, seasons the pizza with 8 secret sauces. Spicing the sauce. I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. Good job, kiddos. Here now, what could be next? Ernie tosses one more pizza into the air. Bert pours 2 cans of sauce onto the dough. Grover sprinkles 3 cups of cheese on top. Elmo adds 4 tomato slices. Rosita places 5 pieces of pepper. Cookie throws on 6 olive slices. Abby waves around 7 mushroom slices appear. Elmo's daddy seasons the pizza with 8 secret spices. Grover's mommy will put each of the 9 pizzas into the oven. Whew. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Well, here we go. 9. Are we happy? Now, we have 10 happy picnickers. They enjoy 9 pizzas, each with 8 spices, 7 mushrooms, 6 olives, 5 green peppers, 4 tomatoes, 3 cups of cheese, 2 cans of sauce, 1 hand-tossed dough. All that's left is 1 messy kitchen. Let's count the friends. Look at them. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that funny? We have 10 fingers. So we can count to 10 by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that funny? Thanks, kiddos. I love Sesame Street. We'll have more, so you guys come back. I'm open 24/7. Love you guys. Thank you.